What's up, guys? Welcome back. Tonight we're going to be doing one of the top must-have upgrades to a Dodge Charger.
This shitty bumper here, doing some upgrades. We have a Scat Pack bumper over there. It came in this bag. Me and Brandon, we ended up ordering 4 at the same time. Didn't realize it. The thing was in a ball. I didn't think the shipper that I bought it from would put it in a ball that was, what was it, Brandon? Bent and misshaped?
It was like bent before away.
Yeah, he used the heat gun and he reshaped the bumper, which thank you to him because I don't have time for that. Time for upgrades. I shit myself.
Yeah?
Yeah, I ate Domino's. I farted, I sharded actually. Don't buy these phones. I went through 2 of them already in the last month. Cracked the phone, did not, thing shot, and then I had a warranty on it. So keep iPhone, don't get Samsung. They're shit. Battery sucks on and everything. Sorry, Samsung. I think I hit something pretty big. Oh nice, bug landed on my dick. Oh, he's dead now. Pull off. Right off. Naked car. Yeah, I think that looks sick. Yeah, actually looks pretty cool. Right here. Yeah, I gotta go that up.
Like and subscribe to Whistle and Diesel. Sign up for Hustlers University.
Not liking him very much.
It's gonna be in the description below.
He's an asshole.
Free Tate.
What do you want to do with the old bumper? Stupid SXT bumper. Just wanted to change that out with the SRT bumper, Scat Pack bumper, whatever you want to call it. It was a pain in the ass, but thanks to my brother. My brother did most of the work. It looks pretty good. We kind of recap. So we ended up changing the SXT bumper, RT bumper they call it, to the Scat Pack bumper. I'm about to show you what it looks like. Not bad at all. Actually looks really sick. Came out pretty nice. Stay tuned for more upgrades. Definitely going to be some...